Hi everyone. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to prepare to do digital negatives and contact prints in the darkroom. So what I'm talking about, what I mean by that is these kind of developments. So where you can layer digital negatives in the darkroom, you can place them into the enlarger and it gives you this sort of half-tone look. But it's a great way of developing and experimenting with your project and your images. It's something that the moderators do like because they like you using alternative processes. So the darkroom is a great way of developing this project. So to start off, if you get your image, and let's open that in Photoshop. First thing you're going to do is you're going to convert it to black and white. So I know you guys are used to using the adjustment layers, which are these ones here. I don't want you to use that for now, mainly because we'll have to flatten it and we'll have to save it as a JPEG. So we're just going to work directly onto the image. So if you go to Image, Adjustments and click Gradient Map, it will obviously default to whatever is set on your colour palette. So just make sure that you go to Basic and then click on the standard black and white. Okay, and there we've got our image in black and white. If it needs leveling, this one doesn't, but if it does, just remember you can level as well. So that is Command and L on your keyboard, or you can go to Image Adjustments and Levels and just adjust the levels. And then what we have to do is we have to turn it into the negative. So at the minute we've got the positive image. And to do that, you just click Command and I on your keyboard. So Command and I will create this negative here, like that. Now, what we need to do now is print this onto acetate, but we're going to make these around A6 size. So if you go to File, New, create an A4. So go to Print, Size, A4, make sure it's set to 300 pixels per inch, create. Then if you go back to this image here and you click, yep, so hold it, and then let go. You're basically just going to scale this down to 1/4 of the size. It's about there. Yep, so just click, and then you do that with 4 of our images. So if let's just pretend I've done this. So there'll be one image here, there'll be another image here. Yep, then once you've got 4 different images on your page, I know these are the same, I'm just showing you for an example. So you'd have 4 images like that. I then need you just to go to File. I need you to go Print. And I need you to send it to AND3. This is the only place that you can print on acetate. Now there should be acetate already in the printer. If there isn't, just come and ask me or ask Kate in the office. But whatever you do, don't put acetate into the big printer near the lift. Yeah, don't put it there, we'll get into trouble. Just send it to AND3, and that's Andy's room. Send that to print, and then we're ready then to take that into the dark room.